That's how come I am gaining organic search traffic but losing keywords using SEMrush. Um, it's really going to depend. It's really going to depend. I mean, my best advice to you, you're going to have to like look at what the keywords are that you're losing.
Hmm.
A lot of the times you'll see websites start ranking for keywords that had no business ranking for anyway. And then Google basically starts to understand the website better and is like, hey, you're not supposed to rank for this shit. And then just like knocks it out. And so it looks like you're like traffic, it's like, oh, my keywords are going down, but in reality, you weren't supposed to be ranking for that stuff anyway. Um, yeah, really hard to say without looking at it. But what I'll tell you for is just look at the keywords that you're losing, see what's going on with those, and you're gonna have to go from there. It's cool that you're gaining organic search traffic, so I wouldn't say Google is upset with you. Sounds like Google is rewarding you with higher rankings. I'd rather have more traffic than more keywords.
Yeah.
But yeah, if the keywords that you're losing are important, then you're gonna kind of want to have to dig into that. Maybe check out stuff like cannibalization, or just if you've covered the topic completely as far as doing a bunch of different articles on that kind of stuff, or if I don't know if you're using like AI content or anything, maybe Google's seeing the pages as low quality or something, and it's kind of like saying, we don't want this ranking anymore. There's a bunch of different stuff you're gonna have to look into that we're not gonna really be able to give you advice on, but it's not always the end of the world. Do you have anything to add on that, Nick?
Well, yeah, a lot of times too, if it's a newer site, you're going to see that Google prods top positions in the SERPs with these newer sites that are kind of up and comers. And so you might resonate in specific SERPs for a good amount of time or for like a short period of time, and then fall back out as you're raising up in organic keywords general, right? This is Google kind of testing you in different positions as well. So that can happen. We don't have too much information on how old this site is, etc. So like Chris said, we're going to be limited in what we can tell you, but that's something that you see a lot. And in terms of, if this is a few months old site, we've gone through a lot of algo updates. A lot of volatility has occurred in the SERPs. So, this could be related to that as well. Just things to consider.
Hey everyone, thanks for watching. Be sure to check the links below for more info on this topic, as well as other cool stuff like SEO case studies, our Facebook community, and our link building services. And like always, please like, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed the video. Thanks, and happy ranking.